we go again, y'all. We at another dealership. See what this thing talking about out here. See another Chevy Cruze. See what this thing is talking about. It's got 121,000 miles on it. Leather seats, look like somebody driving it. 2015, 121,000 miles. Came from the auction in Manheim, Texas. They had this car since September 18th, so they ain't had it that long. They got it from the auction. Good old Durango. 2014. I don't know how many miles on this one. 2014 Durango. This vehicle's not for sale. They got a bunch of luxury cars out here. They got these Hummers, Cadillac, Porsche, Corvettes. They got a few little toys out here. The Wrangler right there. The little American flag in it. GMC Yukons. Pretty decent out here. He over there looking at the GT Mustang. And we ain't come here to look at these. Well, not me. I don't know what he got going on. I'm trying to find a car that's gonna make some money. Not look good in. It's not what today's mission is about. It's an old ass vet they got. Shit old as hell. What, the GT? Yeah. See, they got the rims on there. They got a 2015 Cruze over there. It's got 120,000 miles.
Oh, that's lit.
And then this 2014 Durango right here. Nice. I don't know if this is from another lot that got the sticker not for sale. Which one, the Durango?
Yeah.
What's the tag on there? Venture Chattanooga. Oh, you talking about the Wrangler?
Yeah.
That motherfucker like a Army Jeep. Challengers, old. Huh? Seen what?
The Cruze.
The Cruze right behind you. 2015. 121,000 miles. They got it from the auction though in Texas, so that shit might be flooded out.
Yeah.
Might have got flooded before. I don't know.
Look at the window.
Huh? What the window look like?
Water. It rained though. It's leather inside. It's fully loaded.
They had to get in there. Had to get in there and smell it. You'll be able to tell if it was flooded. Just go in here real quick, asking what they want for this. What they want for their Cruze, real quick. How you doing, sir? Okay. No problem. How you doing, sir? Yes. What are you asking for your 2015 Cruze out here?
This one would be 9,900.
9,900?
Yeah.
Okay. And what is that? That's in-house financing?
Sir?
That's in-house financing?
No.
Which vehicle?
So it's a cash offer only?
Yeah. Well, because through finance company.
Well, what's it?
Westlake.
Westlake. Okay.
What about the Mustang? How much is the 5.0? The orange one and the white one?
Everybody ain't used to these cameras. He looking scared as hell. Like, who the fuck got this motherfucking camera in my damn establishment? Nah, I ain't bad though. Nah, $99, almost 10 racks for a 2015. And to know that it came from Texas, I can't do it. I'm not paying 10 racks for something that came from Texas.
Got a little front end damage anyway.
I ain't worried about that shit.
That nigga said.
It's Young Gunna and Young Weezy, bitch, shit too easy. Hit the lock and leave fool. Oh, that bitch got flat tire, no deal. Deal or no deal, let's go start from the front. You know how this shit works. I got another, that's a Malibu, look like.
That's a Malibu, still good on gas. Probably the same engine.
Let's start from this way. We'll work our way down.
No price for 200. That shit over with.
No, this ain't Title Max. We just stand a place next to Title Max. Oh, excuse me. Oh, here we go. Sonata. What is that? That's a Elantra?
These all Sonatas right
Not a Sonata, not a Sonata. Alright, let's check out the first one. Leather seat, sunroof. Oh, snap. We might be working with some, y'all. Decent smell. Don't smell too bad in here. Could use a little decent detail on it. You know what I'm saying?
Got your fully loaded car.
Let me see.
Navy.
154,000 miles. God dog. Hey, depending on how much they want. I mean, you know. Oh, this another Sonata, damn.
Yeah, all three of these.
I was just looking at that one. I ain't see this one. This is a cloud, this old basic one. Let's see. Yeah, damn, armrest a little toe up. Let's see, I bet this ain't the push start one. Nope, damn. Seat wet, something leaking in here. Can't do this one. Nah, this one just too toe up right here. I can't even front, y'all. Can't do this one. Something ain't right. Look at this shit. God damn. Somebody was shooting at this motherfucker or something. Oh, they grabbed it with a crane?
Nah, they was trying to break in to get their keys out.
What, like looking like that?
So just put like this. You know when you had that long screwdriver that you used to lock my shit in?
Yeah.
Like this. And I bend the door open.
Shit.
That's what they
I don't know. That's a whole lot of breaking in going on. Oh no. Boy, that shit smell like straight cigarettes. Fuck no. Fuck no. It's Young Gunna, you too easy.
old Optima.
Chrysler, Optima, Kia, Lexus, Mazda,
They focus right now.
See if you can see how many miles on there. They tell you how many on there?
Too much, 165, 420.
Ooh, you gonna pass and keep winning on that one, my guy. Yes, sir.
SLE.
Huh?
That's the SLE.
Yeah. Car shopping. Tell you how many on there? I'm Instagramming while I'm YouTubing. Y'all don't mind. You know, multitasking. I think this somebody's car. Yeah, this somebody's car. This somebody's car. Tell you how many on there? 165. Gonna pass and keep winning on that one, my guy. Yeah, it ain't nothing out here, bro. I don't see nothing. That's it right there, champ. That's it, that's all. I'll take a look at the, what you call it, just to tickle my fancy.
Might be a trade-in.
Looking like that? Nah, bro, this motherfucker been here. It's got a leather interior. Either something got spilled in the back seat or it's leaking. It's got 2 flat tires.
That ain't nothing but a discount.
It's a 2012. I don't want it. It's a 2012. Fuck. Can't do it. We gonna pass. Get up out of here. This shit crazy. Well, y'all. We ain't found nothing but a bunch of laughs today so far.
Niggas out here kicking tires for real.
Ain't found nothing but a bunch of laughs so far. No luck on finding the car yet. Well, y'all. Yep, so we didn't have no luck finding no cars today, but it's all good. Well, I ain't gonna say that. It was 3 at the end. At one particular dealership, we had to go way far out. That was some decent cars. They just wanted a lot of money for them, for it to be used cars. But you know, right now in the world we living in, everything is up. Prices way up on everything, so you can't complain. But it was 3 decent ones that I would have had liked to grab. But yeah, we're gonna see. Yeah, look, yeah, check that out. Yeah, that truck looking good, ain't it? Yes, sir. Keep on winning. Look at this crazy man. They don't know how to act. You want something to drink out here? Come on, man, turn it down, man. You finna get me demonetized, man. I ain't even monetized yet. You gonna get me demonetized before I get monetized.
Yeah, you know you gotta turn up for the count every time.
You want something to drink out here?
Yeah, I'll take it already.
Alright. What color?
Red.
Alright. That's bad. Do y'all say what color too when y'all ask what the flavor? Gatorade, Powerade y'all want? I'm pretty sure everybody do that. I know I ain't the only one. But yeah, man. So that was the journey today. I got more laughs out of it than anything, but it's all good. I told y'all we got some more pickups and drop-offs to do, so we getting ready to go drop off something at the airport right now. And that's what we getting ready to go do. I gotta run ahead and get me some drink. Grab me a little energy drink real quick. Lift my spirits. Cause yeah, took me a good old cat nap. Now I'm sleeping. Now I'm sleeping, so I gotta wake back up. I don't even remember what Gatorade he said. Hopefully he said red. If he didn't, oh well. Oh well, my friend. It's what you getting today, dog. Wish I ain't getting no diet. Free advertising. How you doing, love?
Good, how are you?
Alright.
That's it for you?
Yeah, that's it.
You want the bag?
Huh?
You want the bag?
No, man.
410.
Hey, you know what? Let me have a bag. I'm sorry.
Okay. Thank you.
I appreciate
Have a great
it.
one.
You too. Appreciate it. Back on the trails we go, y'all. Back on the trails we go. Hey, man. Hopefully, I find something within the next week. If I don't, we shall find something before the end of October because we gotta pull the trigger, man. Hey, what color you had said? What color you said?
Red.
Okay. Yeah, you keep the bag. Let me get the drink out of there. Appreciate you, sir.
I'm a big boss, baby.
Yeah. Tell you the truth. Can't take folks nowhere. Don't know how to act, man. Hey, man, once again, man, y'all make sure y'all get y'all Keep Winning hoodies. They are officially live. You can get yours in the link below in the description. Just click on that Teespring link. It'll take you straight to it. You can get a t-shirt or you can get a hoodie. I got the white hoodies with the red lettering, what you see right here. I got the black hoodie with the red lettering. Support is appreciated. Thank y'all, man. See y'all in a minute. Yeah, so right now we playing a waiting game, man. I'm already at the airport. I'm just waiting on the guests to let me know. I'm like 10 minutes early, but I ain't heard from them since. Oh, wait a minute. We got action. Plane just landed. We had to get our check bags as well. Cool. Huh? Spoke them up. So I'm like 10-15 minutes early, and they just finally hit me. I've been texting them for like the last 4 hours trying to tell them to make sure they communicate. So they finally text me now. But yeah, airport drop off. Usually they go pretty smooth. This is the only one that I've had like zero communication with the guests, but they just text me now, so hopefully this will be a smooth transition. So I can get on and get up out of here, man. I've been up since early this morning, way before I even started vlogging for y'all. Y'all seen the sunrise, so they'll tell y'all how early I've been up, man. I've been up all day. The camera's even about to die, so hopefully it don't down me before I finish this vlog out. I am vlogging on the Canon today, so I might have to go actually buy me an extra battery for this thing, because I didn't realize that this battery was going to die that quick. I haven't even been really recording that much, so I don't understand why the battery's dying so fast, but I guess that's how it does when you use video. So, but I hope the video quality turned out good, man. Y'all let me know, how y'all like the video clarity. Does it look good? Does it look clean? If so, and if it's not too harsh on me to edit this video from the camera, I keep shooting on this guy. So y'all let me know, man. I'm so ready to go drop this car off and get back in my truck so I can keep on trucking. Joke. Yeah, anyway, I'm just rambling, y'all, I'm bullshit. But yeah, man, hey, like I said, I am adding more cars to the fleet. By the end of February, would have been made a decision on something. So I gotta get a few more cars. I mean, like a minimum of 2 by the end of February, what the world, end of October. So we are halfway through the month. It's October 15th now. So yeah, I got 16 days to get at least 2 more cars, y'all. So the challenge is on. I'm challenging myself. Find 2 more cars before the end of the month. We're gonna make it happen. I keep y'all posted on the journey.